I'll guide you through how to make portfolio. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and type 𝗕𝗂𝗂𝗀𝗂𝗀 into the search bar. Once the page loads, log into your account. If you do not have an account, you need to create one first by following the sign-up process. After logging in, go to the top of the page and locate the Resources section. Select Marketplace from the drop-down options. In the Marketplace, search for Template section, then click the See All button located below the templates text. Now, you can use the search bar to type portfolio and press enter. A variety of portfolio templates will appear based on your search. Scroll down and click on the one you like. For example, I choose this template. You'll then be taken to that templates page. Click the Use for Free button to begin customizing the template. Once the template opens and your portfolio is ready, start editing by changing the name, modifying the job titles, updating the profile photo, rewriting the description, and any other details to suit your personal information.